Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring an essential part of English grammar that helps us specify and clarify nouns, determiners. Since we're focusing on the C1 level, we'll be looking at some advanced uses of determiners, which can make your language sound more precise and polished. So, what exactly is a determiner? Determiners are words placed before nouns to provide context or additional information about them, such as quantity, possession, or definiteness. Common determiners include the a, some, each, every, many, and few. They help to set up expectations for the noun, clarifying what or how much we're talking about. Let's go through a few examples. I'd like to buy some coffee, where some indicates an unspecified amount. Or, in each student received a certificate, each specifies that the action applies individually to all students. At the C1 level, you'll encounter determiners like either, neither, several, and plenty of, which add nuance and allow for more precise descriptions. For example, there are several options to consider. Gives an idea of quantity without exactness, while you may choose either option, narrows it down to two specific choices. In everyday language, determiners help you clarify your meaning and communicate more effectively. Imagine you're talking about a new book you bought. You could say, "This book is interesting," where this shows you're referring to a specific book. Or, if you're discussing plans with a friend, you might say, "We have enough time to visit both places." These determiners make it clear exactly what or how much you're talking about, which helps listeners understand your message quickly. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to practice using different determiners to make your sentences more accurate and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying the podcast. Your support helps others find the show, and we love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me today to explore determiners at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.